In this video, I'll show you how to change your passcode of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Plus, 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. First thing, you need to unlock your phone. So you better not forget this. You better not have forgotten your passcode. So this is my current one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you need to go into the settings of your iPhone. The settings icon is right over here, so I'll click on it. Now, once you open settings, this is how it should look. You need to go down until you see Face ID and passcode. Click on this option. It will ask you your current passcode to have access to those settings. So go ahead and type it. Now we have access to this screen, and if we go down again, you'll have the option Change Passcode. Click on this. Enter your current passcode. So again, the same one you just entered. Now it's time to enter your new passcode. So I'll go ahead and enter a new passcode. Now this one is too easy, and it says here, this passcode can be easily guessed. If you still want to use this passcode, although it's easy to guess, click on Use Anyway. And now you have to re-enter your new passcode. Wait a few seconds. And this is it. Your iPhone now has a new passcode. By the way, if you want to completely turn off passcodes on your iPhone because you don't need it anymore, press Turn Passcode Off, but I don't recommend it. So now, next time you want to open your iPhone, go ahead and put your new passcode, and it will work. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get a portable MagSafe charger for your iPhone or other stuff like a case. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.